In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Keep Notes inside Google Calendar in Chrome. This is a quick and useful workflow if you like keeping your schedule and your notes side by side. Instead of switching between tabs or opening another app window, you can access your Keep Notes directly from within the Google Calendar interface. That makes it much easier to check reminders, reference ideas, or copy information while planning your day. To begin, open Google Calendar in the Chrome browser. Make sure the calendar page is fully loaded so you can clearly see the full interface. If you're already signed in, your events and schedule should appear as normal. Using Chrome helps ensure the Google Workspace layout appears the way you expect, especially if you're following along visually. Once Google Calendar is open, look over to the right-hand edge of the screen. You should see a vertical utility app bar running down the side of the calendar window. This side panel contains shortcuts to Google tools that work alongside Calendar. Take a moment to scan the icons carefully. Find the yellow light bulb icon on that right side utility bar. This light bulb represents Google Keep. If you hover over it for a moment, the label may appear, which can help confirm that you've selected the correct icon. This is especially helpful if the panel is collapsed or if the icons appear small on your screen. Now click the yellow light bulb icon. As soon as you do, the Google Keep Notes panel will open directly inside the Google Calendar interface. Your notes will appear in a sidebar, allowing you to view them without leaving your calendar. This integrated view is convenient because it keeps your planning tools in one place and reduces interruptions while you work. If you use Keep for checklists, meeting notes, or reminders, having it open here can make calendar planning much more efficient. You can quickly review important details while checking dates and events at the same time. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference in staying organized. That's all you need to do. Open Google Calendar in Chrome, locate the yellow light bulb icon on the utility bar along the right-hand side, and click it to display your Google Keep Notes directly inside the calendar view. Once you know where it is, it only takes a second to access anytime you need it.